I got my cake pans from Johnson Plastics Plus. Don't forget that you can save 15% when you order your blanks from them. And all I've done was take the plastic off my lid. I just slid it off. There's no fingerprints or anything on it. I haven't touched it. And I printed my design. And I am going to place that on the pan lid. And of course use my heat tape to tape it down, just so it doesn't move on me. It is a Nordic ware pan, so should come out nice, I'm hoping. So I've got that taped down and secured. I am going to use my blowout paper and or butcher paper, whatever it is you have. I'm going to use that and my Teflon sheet on top. And it does say to heat that at 400 for 45 to 60 seconds. Now, this lid is about, I'm going to say 1.25 inches deep. These are required. They require one so that your lid doesn't dent under it. But I ordered two, and because I ordered two, I'm going to use both of them. And it comes out right about even with the pan. So that way I'm not going to dent my lid. I'm going to go heat this for 400 and I'll come back and show you guys the results. Okay guys, here we are and it's still warm. Love, love, love. Now I will say one thing, and this is my design, it's not the pan lid. There's a white flower right there. We all know white doesn't print unless you have that special ink. So make sure you're checking your design. Everywhere it's white, it's going to remain silver, as we all know. And I didn't think about that when I chose that design. But overall, I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the tips and tricks on that. Make sure you have that mat and make sure that you adjust your height. It's a medium pressure. You don't want to bend your lid. Have a great day.